This movie will show you how to customize the travel photography 4Images theme by editing the CSS file. To start customizing the theme, you will need to log into your 4Images admin panel first. To do that, enter your login details and click the login button. Once you access the 4Images admin panel, select Settings from the general menu on the left. After that, select the travel photography theme from the Choose Template directory menu on the right. When ready with your selection, click the Save Changes button to confirm your update. Next, click on the Go to the Gallery homepage link in the top right corner and open it in a new tab to see how the travel photography template will appear online. Here is the template as it will be appearing online with its default style settings. Now let's see what all the basic settings and layout customization options are and how you can make use of them, editing them in the theme's CSS file. Back in the admin panel, select Edit Template from the general menu on the left. Then select the travel photography theme from the Select Template Pack drop-down menu on the right and click the Load Theme menu. After that, select Style CSS from the Select Templates drop-down list and confirm your choice by clicking the Edit Templates button. Now let's see how to change the site name font. In the CSS file of the travel photography theme, locate the logo selector using the search function of your browser. Then replace the font family types currently set as the value for the font family property with a custom value. In our case, we replace Georgia and Times New Roman with the Toma family. When ready, click the Save Changes button to apply the updates. To apply all the new updates to the CSS file, you must first set the corresponding right permissions. To change your Edit CSS file permissions, you will first need to open an FTP client of your choice, and then initiate an FTP connection by clicking the Connect button. Now take a look at the right section of your FTP client and browse to the demo folder, then to the 4Images and the admin folder, to finally reach the template folder and the folder of the travel photography 4Images theme. In the travel photography folder, scroll down to locate the style.css file of the template. Right-click it and then select Properties from the Options menu. In the Properties panel, set the necessary group and public right permissions and click OK to apply all the changes. When you complete the permissions update, go back to the CSS source code in the 4Images admin panel. Reapply the font family updates and click the Save Changes button to confirm them. With the new right permission set, you can now successfully apply all updates to the CSS file. When ready, go to the template preview page to see as it will look like in live mode. To further customize the style of your template title, you should go back to the 4Images admin panel first. From there, you can change the font size of the title by setting a custom value for the font size property. You can remove the bold value set for the font size property by removing the font size line. To preview the template title after the style update you have just made, again, return to the template preview page. Now let's see how to change the template's link's color. Back in the 4Images admin panel, search for the A selector in the CSS source file, again using the search function of your browser. Using the Color Crop tool, you can select a suitable color for the text links of the template. Choose a color from the palette, copy and generate the code and paste it to replace the current value of the color property. In our example, we choose a blue color. You can apply the same change to the A hover selector. Return to the travel photography preview page to see all the new link style updates reflected online, Refresh your browser to see all template links, including sidebar links and category links, turn from orange to blue. Now let's see how to change the button's color. Go back to the 4Images admin panel. Using the search function of your browser, locate the bottom search selector, responsible for defining the color of the search buttons. Using the Color Cop tool panel, you can replace the currently set color for the search buttons with the color code that you generate. In this example, we select a dark color for the background and a light color for the buttons. Simply copy their codes from the Color Cop panel and paste them as the new custom values. Click the Save Changes button to update the button's color online. Now return to the Travel Photography template preview page and refresh your browser to see the newly updated search button's color scheme as it will be displayed on the web. If you want to change the color of the Go button, go to the CSS file and locate the button selector and set a new color value for the color and the background properties. Go to the preview page and check out the Go button color change. Now let's see how to change the size of the text areas on the template. In the CSS file, locate the body selector. Then replace the font size property with a new custom value. In our example, we increase the font size by 3 pixels. Then update the other text area selectors like UL and UI for the bullet lists, P for the paragraphs, and TD for the table cells. Return again to the preview page and reload your browser to check out the text size updates in live mode. To undo the text size change, go back to the CSS file and set the default values for the same selectors. Return to the preview page and reload your browser to reflect the updates online. Well, that's it. Now you know how to customize the layout of the Travel Photography 4Images theme.